In this video series, we are going to create this website which have a drop area so the user can drop the files, drop the pictures to here and type some text. So for example, we can drop this picture to here and you can see this as the preview, and now we can type a text and then post. And now you can see the cars and also the posts appear on the right side. Now we are going to create the next project. So we type yarn create next app. And then we type learn dropzone. After we create a project, we can go to the inside the project by typing cd learn dropzone, and then we type code dot to open the VS Code. Now we are going to create a component, so we go to the public, go to the pages and go to create a new folder called components, and then under the components we create a new file called dropzone.js, and then we type RAFCE. Now we create this component, and then we back to the index, and then we remove this unnecessary div, and now we create our own div. And then we import the dropzone. So we type import the dropzone from the components dropzone. Now we go to the terminal and then we type yarn dev and then we type enter. Now we can see the dropzone this word, so we already import the component successfully.